Today, we will practice useful English while enjoying the Omagari Fireworks in Akita.
This lesson is perfect for learning travel English in a colorful summer festival atmosphere.
We will arrive in Daisen City, explore the town, enjoy food stalls, and watch the fireworks by the river.
The Omagari Fireworks are famous for their scale, beauty, and creative performances.
The English will be slow, clear, and easy to repeat.
Let's enjoy slow English under one of Japan's most exciting night skies. We finally arrived at Omagari Station.
The station is already full of festival excitement.
Many people are wearing yukata and carrying folding chairs.
How do I say tanoshimi ni shiteita in English?
You can say, I was looking forward to it.
I was looking forward to it.
Perfect. That is a useful phrase before a special event.
I can feel the energy of the whole city.
Yes, everyone seems excited about tonight.
The streets look lively and welcoming.
Let's walk through the shopping street first.
Great. I want to enjoy the festival atmosphere. There are decorations and festival signs everywhere.
The town feels completely different on Fireworks Day.
How do I say nigiyaka funiki in English?
You can say, a lively atmosphere.
It has a lively atmosphere.
Excellent. That phrase is perfect for festivals and busy streets.
I like the lanterns and the local shops.
Many people stop here before heading to the river.
The town feels friendly and festive.
Let's take a few photos before it gets crowded.
Good idea. The decorations look beautiful in the afternoon light.
Next, let's find something delicious at the food stalls. There are so many delicious smells here.
I can see grilled meat, noodles, sweets, and local snacks.
How do I say nani ga osusume desu ka in English?
You can say, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Perfect. You can use that phrase at any food stall or restaurant.
I want to try something sweet first.
I think I will get grilled chicken and cold noodles.
Festival food always makes the trip more fun.
Yes, and eating outside feels special today.
Let's sit for a moment before walking to the river.
Good idea. We still have plenty of time. The crowd is getting bigger as we approach the river.
Everyone is heading toward the viewing area.
How do I say kanran seki wa doko desu ka in English?
You can say, where is the viewing area?
Where is the viewing area?
Excellent. That is very useful at large events.
The riverbank looks much wider than I expected.
The open space is perfect for a huge fireworks show.
I can already see many reserved seats.
Let's check our ticket and find our section.
I hope we have a clear view of the sky.
I think our seats are near the center. This section looks like the right place.
Yes, our seat numbers are written on the ticket.
How do I say kono seki wa aite imasu ka in English?
You can say, is this seat available?
Is this seat available?
Perfect. That phrase is useful in many public places.
The view from here is excellent.
We can see the launch area across the river.
I am glad we came early.
Yes, now we can relax before the show starts.
Let's take out the drinks and the small fan.
Good idea. The evening is still warm. The sky is slowly getting darker.
The lights along the river look beautiful now.
How do I say nanji ni hajimarimasu ka in English?
You can say, "What time does the show start?"
What time does the show start?
Excellent. That phrase works for fireworks, concerts, and events.
I can feel the excitement growing around us.
Everyone is looking toward the darkening sky.
The river is reflecting the last light of the day.
This quiet moment before the fireworks feels special.
I think the show will begin very soon.
Let's get ready and keep our eyes on the sky. There it is. The first firework is rising.
The whole crowd is cheering.
How do I say hanabi ga agatte imasu in English?
You can say, the fireworks are going up.
The fireworks are going up.
Very good. That is a natural way to describe the action.
The colors are bright and clear in the night sky.
The sound is much more powerful than I expected.
I can feel the vibration in my chest.
The reflections on the river are beautiful too.
This opening already feels amazing.
I cannot wait to see what comes next. Each performance has a completely different style.
The shapes, colors, and timing are all carefully designed.
How do I say iki wo nomu hodo utsukushii in English?
You can say, "It is breathtaking."
It is breathtaking.
Perfect. That is a strong phrase for an unforgettable view.
Some fireworks bloom slowly, and others burst all at once.
I love how every creator tells a different story.
The music and fireworks match beautifully.
This is more than a show. It feels like art.
I understand why people travel so far to see this.
I will never forget this night. The finale is starting.
There are fireworks everywhere at the same time.
How do I say yozora zentai ga kagayaite imasu in English?
You can say, the whole sky is lighting up.
The whole sky is lighting up.
Excellent. That phrase is perfect for a huge finale.
The colors are filling every part of the sky.
The sound, light, and smoke are incredibly powerful.
The river looks like a mirror of fire.
This is the most beautiful fireworks display I have ever seen.
I feel lucky to be here tonight.
What an unforgettable ending. The inn feels quiet after such an exciting night.
I like relaxing in yukata and remembering the fireworks.
How do I say 忘れられない夜でした in English?
You can say, "It was an unforgettable night."
It was an unforgettable night.
Perfect. That phrase is ideal for a special memory.
I still remember the colors and the powerful sound.
The finale was my favorite part of the evening.
I also enjoyed the food stalls and the lively town.
Let's review the useful phrases before we sleep.
Good idea. I want to remember them for my next trip.
Then let's begin our review. Let's review some useful English from our Omagari Fireworks trip.
The first phrase is, I was looking forward to it.
We also learned, it has a lively atmosphere.
At the food stalls, we asked, what do you recommend?
At the venue, we practiced, where is the viewing area?
We also used, is this seat available?
Before the show, we asked, what time does the show start?
During the opening, we said, the fireworks are going up.
For the beautiful displays, we used, it is breathtaking.
During the finale, we said, the whole sky is lighting up.
At the end, we remembered, it was an unforgettable night.
These phrases are simple, but very useful at festivals and events.
Please repeat them slowly and practice the rhythm.
I want to use them at another fireworks festival someday. Today, we enjoyed the Omagari Fireworks and practiced useful travel English.
We explored the town, enjoyed festival food, found our seats, and watched the night sky come alive.
I especially loved the powerful competition fireworks.
I loved the grand finale and the reflections on the river.
Slow English is a great way to enjoy travel and study at the same time.
Please repeat the phrases again if you want more listening and speaking practice.
Thank you for joining us on this special night in Akita.
We hope this lesson helps you enjoy English with beautiful Japanese festivals.
Please like the video if you enjoyed it.
And please subscribe for more slow English travel lessons.
See you again in the next lesson.
Thank you very much for watching.